Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a host header attack in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is password reset poisoning via Dangling Markup. So the lab is vulnerable to password reset via Dangling Markup. We need to log into Carlos's account. We have our own account. Any email sent to this account can be read via the client on the exploit server, and we have a hint. Some antivirus software scans links in emails to identify whether I cannot read today. Identify whether they are malicious. All right, let's check out the lab. So we've got password reset poisoning via Dangling Markup to Carlos's account. Please remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how I'm doing. I'd appreciate that. Let's make sure we have this open. And I'm going to actually open it a couple of times. One, I don't like this. That doesn't seem very fast. Please don't be slow today. Please don't be slow today. All right, so I'm going to go to my account, and I'm going to log in as, I'm going to do this. Forgot password. So let's go to proxy, HTTP history, and forgot password. Let's send this to repeater. And let's see what happens when I change the host header. Blah.com. Send. Gateway timed out. Okay. Gateway timed out. That means it tried to go there. What happens, enter your email. So what happens if I do like blah@blah.com, submit this, and send this to repeater. Post host. Let's change this to blah.com. And gateway timeout. That's unfortunate. Let's see if we've got anything. Let's go to this one. Email client. All right. So password reset poisoning, so nothing. Well, that's because we didn't send it here, right? So what if we, where was we? Host. Okay, username, host. What if we change the host to this? Error gateway connecting. So, what happens when we did proxy, when we posted this, it responded with a 200 and it said, please check your email. Okay, let's send this to repeater, not repeater. Let's do an active scan on this. And maybe flow. There we go. Scanner. It's just going to go as slow as possible, isn't it? Scanner has not done anything yet. What's the problem here? Let me add to scope. What in the world is the currently auditing? Okay, finally. Why is it whatever? Hello? I'm going to go like this. Oh, finally. So, what? I don't know why it's going so freaking slow. But the other thing I wanted to do was I wanted to send it to, forgot password. This is the post. I want to do extensions, param miner, guess everything. I'm going to start looking through this, see what we got. Okay, wait, timeout. So this is the stuff I want to see. Host like that. Now, what I'm hoping is that one of these sure glad this is sending 1 a second and not going any faster, because I don't know if I'd be able to handle it. So it's password reset via Dangling Markup. The password, maybe via Dangling Markup. So what I initially thought was that I would put in the host some, I still think that's what it is. I put in the host some markup that when the link is generated and emailed to them so that, let's see, they receive a password reset link, right? But the host is such that it opens up a link source that is dangling so that it captures the reset token when it's clicked on or scanned by the antivirus software. I hope that makes sense. So that's what that's what I had in mind. But so far we can't get even the first part working. And I'm sure it has nothing to do with how slow everything is. Maybe I need to, let's change my account to use my account probably already does use this email address. Ooh, it's so slow. It's so painful. Okay, so let's do Wiener Peter. See, that's, I think, what I'm doing wrong. When I'm doing the forgot password and the username, I need to start putting in Wiener, right? Let's make sure my email address is set, or mine, the Wiener email address is correct. Gosh, I really hate how slow this site is. It's very frustrating. Okay, so my email is this. Let's log out. And we'll spend, 10 minutes waiting for the log out. I sound like such a baby whining all the time, and I apologize. But this is kind of ridiculous, right? I mean, hello? This is pretty ridiculous. You got to agree with me there. I might have to wait and not record this one today. Because, yeah, this is going to suck. All right. Well, I'll pause it. I'll pause the video and come back at some point in the future where I can actually, where these things are working. All right. I'll see you in a minute. Well, wait. No. Yeah. All right. See you in a minute. Okay. So it's been 15 minutes, over 15 minutes. Let's cross our fingers and try it again. I guess I could have just started it over and not let you guys see the trouble. But it looks pretty fast. Okay. So, what do I want to do? I want to actually send a forgot password. Please enter your username, Wiener, submit, or email. We need it to go. Okay, so let's check this. And let's open up. Well, do we need to? We probably don't need to. Let's go there. All right, please. So this is what we want to see, view raw. hello, please visit. So imagine we could inject this. We would want to capture, so not have this A, but capture up to here. Interesting. That's our goal, is to try to capture this code here. Now we want to go back, or we can do repeater, actually, proxy. Where's that post? Not the post to log in. What? Is it logging out of scope? Dang it. I didn't get any of that. So, yeah, I'll submit this again. This. Send to repeater. Now, let's try blah dot. Gateway timed out. Let's try. So let's try some of our the techniques we've learned so far. So we can do like HTTPS, paste that, and go to blah. We can do multiple. Okay. What about blah.com? What if we do .net exploit server? Server gateway error connecting to. We can't do like 192. It's not one of those, right? I mean, I feel like this is the answer that we get. What else can we do? Let's go back and do like X forwarded host to this. Copy, paste. Did you like that? Come on, show me something. Okay. View raw. No. That did not work. That one was wrong. What was this other one, though? That one was wrong. So we don't have it yet. All right, where was I? Oh, I was in repeater. Host, post host. If we do active scan, and we do extensions, not this one, guess params, guess everything, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. It's much better. Now let's watch this one. No, this one. And see if we get anything good. Got a couple. We got a bunch. So I'm just going to hover these until we see something different. No. 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 And no. So the last one was J and J. Let me refresh. Ooh. Scroll down to J and J. Uh-oh. There we go. There's a lot of them. There's probably a better way to do this. I could write a script that looks for them. But I don't know if it would be faster or slower. I'm looking for any difference in this link here. I didn't see it. Last one was 6IUL. These is going to take forever. Oh, good. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Perfect. Oh, that's so cool. Well, whatever it is, don't do this. Because this is just going to crash it. All right. Let's see if we don't have anything. Okay, note to self, don't run the attacks. We need Dangling markups. Log into your own account and emails sent to this account. I think my approach is right. Let's so we got, so I'm gonna wait. I don't know. I'll probably have to wait 15 minutes again. No, I'm gonna leave it open. But let's look at this host header exploiting and this one. Look at these two. So let's actually start with this one. Yeah, post. And then you change the host and they get a link to the host. Wait. Dangling markup. Oh, I see why it's got to be dangling markup. Because in the other ones, it would give you the token in this link. In this one, the token isn't part of the link. So you actually have to type this in. So that's why we got to use dangling markup to be able to stretch to get to here. Sweet. All right. Now I understand the dangling markup part. Yeah. But we need some other way to do host header attack. So we need like these things. Like maybe the colon. I think we tried this because remember we put a dot. Oh. Let's check that. And this. Sugarman. At pound. There's parsing origin. So this is, prepend something, append something. Okay. Whoops. But we still got to wait the 15 minutes until, unless this is working now. No. All right. So we've got 15 minutes. See you in a bit. Okay, so it's definitely been over 15 minutes. I'm going to close tabs to the right and let's try this again. During those 15 minutes, I created this. So this is how we're gonna just go through all of these manually and do it. So parsing errors, except for that's not really a parsing error, but we'll try it. And I also thought because we get that connection response, we should try to do the SSRF stuff, but that's not on here. So then we have overrides with, exported host, all of these. And then ambiguous, which is like duplicates, indented, and then absolute with the host there. So that's what we're going to do. If the site decides to come up, we're going to add this to OA12, this one. We're going to add to scope. Hello? Add to scope. Okay. All right. Now we're going to go to my account. Oh, suck. This lab has been super painful. The last few labs have been, I'm really going to be happy when we're past this host header business. We got a forgot password. This is the last one as of right now. So we just got to solve this one and then we can move on. Please enter your username. So we're going to do Wiener, right? Submit. We're going to open this. And we are going to open the email log. Wow, wow. And I wish I could, so can't I like, is there a way to, like, I don't want to close it. I want to duplicate. There we go. Email client. Okay. Boom. That's there. So we should have one in post forgot password. This is the please check your email. So we need to set this to repeater. And we should have in here this one. And this one's the straight up first one we sent. This email has been scanned by McCarthy email service. I didn't notice that last time. Okay. So let's start with parsing errors. So we'll do a colon and then colon, and then we will do this. Copy, paste, send. Okay. Did we get it on the free first try? That would be so. Did I not try colon before? I'm really loving the speed of this task here. Really loving it. View raw. Did I not? When I hover it, I don't see the little somethings. Looked like something worked on the first try. Why didn't I do colon before? Okay. So two. Yeah, it did. Look at that. All right. So what if we put a question mark? So we need. How do we do this? We need dangling markup. So we can do, okay, we can end the A and then start an image tag with a source. Okay, so we need boom, boom, and then image. So let's go to Peter, and I'll show you what I'm thinking here. We can either put it here, boom, 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 img space source equals, and then this again. Copy, we need HTTP. We need like a double quote. Paste / question mark, and then leave it dangling like that. Let's highlight this and do it like that. That did not work. Okay. Shift U. What if we put this, whoops, this to this cut here. Control U. Send. I'm trying to do it all at once. I probably should break it down into littler parts. And the one thing we don't have is the freaking colon. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Crap. Go here. Refresh this. Oh, and we can even, if this works, we can view the log. Raw 1. Oh, we can just refresh this one, I think. No. Raw 2. Got it. So we got ahref, which ends here. We got image source, which is URL encoded. I don't think that's going to work. This is still pulling up. But we can duplicate. Not. What? No. Stop. Duplicate tab. And on this one, can view access log. Because I don't think that worked with the URL encoding. So we might need to remove that URL encoding. Yeah. Jeez Louise. Okay, so what if we just did that? Shift to here and did, whoops, Control Shift U and sent it like this. Wait, what the heck is it? Oh, suck. I need to kill that. I don't know what happened here, but this thing got all jacked up, didn't it? Kill that. Kill this to this. Okay. And then send that one. We got a 200. What we expect to see is if it was scanned, we expect to see a request from the scanner. Hell yeah. Look at that. Bad A. Let's which one? So 0, 1. This is super frustrating. It's probably like view. We can start writing the script at least, but I would like to see. Yeah. Okay, so which one worked though? I hope it's this one. Boom. Image exploit. Question login. Yeah. Okay. So that's our attack. We need to get the exploit server, make our host look like this. 3p Kate. New file with the exploit server. Send it to send post for forgot password for Carlos with that in the host, and then we collect extract password from exploit logs, log in as Carlos. That's going to be our steps. Yes, super happy. I got that one. Python utils create script to there. And then we will copy this, paste. And then we're going to vim password reset poisoning with Dangling Market. Okay. So, number one, let's get the blog. We need to get the exploit. That's going to be in site. Exploit. Get exploit URL. Blog.get exploit URL. And that shouldn't need anything. It doesn't. So let's put that. Exploit URL equals this. We need. We don't need just the host. We can use the whole URL. Image source. Okay. So now we're going to build the host. And how we probably have to send it manually. Host string will equal the shop.host. So shop.host f, and then the colon, single quote, boom, img source equals double quote. Let me just delete that for now. Exploit URL, and this has got to be in there. Let me turn off the highlights. In there, boom, like that. Shop. Oh, it's blog. Word blog. And log.info host. Okay. Let's see if that looks like what we want. We're going to compare it to this. All right. This isn't frustrating at all. I'm super okay with this taking forever. Okay. Once we have, then we need to send the post. So let's send post. Okay, here's, yeah, okay, so let's copy this, copy, put that there. We'll manually type in host colon space and we'll compare it. One we have HTTPS and the other we have HTTP. That should be fine. Dude, looks awesome. And we need to send this as a post. So if blog.no proxy. Oh, we also need when we this sucks. Blog.get response blog.base URL. The reason we need to do this because we need the lab, we need the cookies, right? So if we do get response, then we can do like this. Lab cookies equals resp.request underscore cookies get underscore lab, right? I explained this in the last one. Let me write session and then we'll go over it again. Equals resp cookies. I'm assuming we need these. Oh, does that post? It does have a CSRF. So we'll need to get that filled. So what I was saying is that we need to use this format to get the lab cookie. And the reason why is because if we look at the get request without, we get a 302 found, and in that 302 it assigns a cookie, right? Then it follows the redirect with that cookie in the request, right? And then we get a session cookie issued as a result of that redirect request. So we get in the code, we can see that we get the session cookie from the response cookies get. And here's the response. So response cookies get session. But we get the lab cookie from the request. And you can see that here, resp request underscore cookies. So that's how we get both cookies. In case I didn't explain it well last time or you didn't watch that video, now you understand, hopefully. We do need to get, so we've got the host figured out. We need to get the page, the my account. Let me go to the forgot password page. So, in fact, we could probably do all of this in one go, right? Forgot password. By getting this response, we should be able to get both of these cookies and CSRF equals extract CSRF resp.text. That's what I'm betting, is we can get everything we need in one go. Let's log.info. We'll do f lab cookie rn session cookie /r/n, and then CSRF. All right. We're gonna leave that, delete that. Oh, this is from blog. Okay. Let's see how that goes. Sweet. That first request only took 3 seconds. Not bad. Where the first time it took 47 seconds. Oof, duh. Getting this homepage is brutal. And then I think once we have that, we'll have everything we need. We can issue the post. I guess we can start, we'll assume that we have it. So if blog.no proxy, we're going to do a request.post. We are going to post this to the URL. And yeah, this will work, I think. Blog.base URL plus forgot password. That's where we're going to post it. We're going to do provide it cookies, headers equals headers, and data equals data, right? So cookies equals a dictionary with lab underscore lab, and let me finish my thought here, lab, and then we'll look to see if we actually did what we want. Session, cookie, those are the cookies we need, and then headers will equal host, and then data equals, what do we need on this form? Oh, son of a gun. You're killing me. It redirected to the... So this isn't going to work. We got no CSRF. I was wrong. We can't do it all in one. We have to do this first. With these, then we can do resp equals blog.get response blog.base URL plus forgot dash password. And then we can extract the CSRF. And let me finish this after we run this again. Hey, that actually wasn't too bad. Now we've got lab cookies, session cookie, no CSRF. Why don't we have a CSRF? Oh, because we didn't. Dang it. When we do this one, we didn't provide. Let's define the cookies. I think I do it up here, down here. Let's do that here. And then we're going to do cookies equals cookies. I'm going to kill this and start it over. And then now we should have the CSRF. And I can look at a forgot password request that was not 302'd. That's a post. Oh, CSRF username. That's all we need. Data, so CSRF, comma, username, Carlos, data, else, that. We don't care about the, well, resp. I guess we want to make sure that we get not a repeater. We want to make sure we get a 200 in response. If resp dot status code does not equal 200, then log dot error post did not work. Check it before you wreck it. Okay. And then we'll do sys.exit -1 just so we can end there. If it did work, then we need to, let's time.sleep like 2 seconds. Import. I don't know how necessary this is, but better be safe than sorry. I don't want to be sending this more than once. Now we need to extract the proxy, the exploit log, which we can do with something in site. Get exploit log right here. And yeah, we've done get exploit log. We've done some stuff with this, so we can look up log equals blog.get exploit log. Do we need anything? This returns the resp. So let's change this to resp. Word resp. All right, let's see how we did here. So we've got session, CSRF, we've got the lab, we found the exploit URL, and we've built the host. That looks great. All right, so here we've got the resp, and then we need, I don't want to do this multiple times. So what I'm going to do is go like this, go up, grep-r, get exploit log, just to see how we've done it in the past. We can look at one of these two. I don't know which one's going to be easier. Let's do cores, internal network pivot attack, get exploit log. Okay. We'll do like that. All right. We need to import RE. Import RE. Let's look at the, let's try to figure out a pattern. We should have here. So we're going to do a new password and plus. We're going to capture it until there. So let me just copy this stuff over. We're going to go, we want it to start with 10, 0, whatever. And then this says question mark / We definitely want this here. Except for this, we want boom dot ashes question mark boom, like that. Delete to here. Delete all of this. All right. What did this look like again? So we have 10. We're just going to go 10 and then dot asterisk new password. That. 10 dot asterisk Boom, 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 boom. New password, this. Pattern, we're going to pull that out. And then if M1, so let's just log.print. Let's do password equals M1. And then we'll do blog, because I really log in. Don't want to do this twice. Carlos password blog.is solved. Woo! All right, let's see if we got it. Oh, CD host. Pretty cool. Yeah, I like this tag. Dangling markup. We should capture it. And hopefully here we've got the capture group so that we can just pull out the password and then try to log in as Carlos. And boom, this guy's solved. Fingers crossed. No HLS. Just, this thing is just super speedy. Do we need this anymore? I'm saying no. We've got the... We better keep it, just in case. So this last one took 13 seconds, and then 23, and then a second. And the rest finished pretty fast, so we will see. Oop, we got some progress. We got the cookies. We're getting we got the exploit server. We have no logs. That's really disappointing. I'm disappointed in myself for not. We can see here. We're still getting the freaking... Why are we getting the home page here? I don't know why we're getting... Oh, the exploit URL. That's what we're getting the home page for. There's the host. We got the exploit URL. Now what are we doing? Oh, I forgot to do proxies equals utils dot proxies and verify equals false. Utils. So we're doing this one right now. We have no idea if we did it right or if it worked, because some idiot forgot to mark that so that it uses the proxy. Just blazing along with this one. Super speedy. None type object is not. Dang it. We should get log. Here's the log. We did get one. So this is what we received. And we were unable to extract it, what we wanted from this. New password. Oh, because it's ampersand LT. Oh, ooh. That's why. If I had confidence, so this, I'm going to change to ampersand LT semicolon. If I had confidence I could, that it would go faster, I would print this out. Ampersand LT semicolon. We should be good now. New password. Yeah. So I'm going to do this. Log.debug resp.text, just in case I don't have it wrong right, I can check it. Super eloquent. $28 to $29.01. So that wasn't too slow, but then it took a minute for the next one. That was very slow. And then these were all logged pretty fast. 45 seconds and a good minute 10. That's okay. I only have, this is the last, it's okay because this is the last time I'm going to run this. Because we're going to solve this sucker right here, right now. I think this is good to go. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Which one is this going to get? I need to get it, the last one. Oh, no. No. So I need to get multiple. This is dumb. I need to get utils site exploit. I want to exploit log. I need to extract this one. I need to extract victim logs. Why don't I do this one? And then get the last one. Okay. We need to do this and then logs equals blog.extract victim logs of resp.text, right? Yep. And then we need to do the last one. So log equals logs -1 pattern. Oh, whoops, not log. Victim log pattern that search. That here we're going to do victim log. Okay. I think that one will do it. I'm going to kill this. Run it again. And I'm going to probably pause this so you don't have to sit here and watch this. But yeah, see you in a minute. All right, any second now, we're going to get another response. Any second. Probably no need to put this sleep in. I mean, it's sleeping all by itself. It's taken 5 minutes to run this script so far. Insane. Insane. Sorry for all my whining the last few days. And I don't think it's me, right? Because if I go like Chrome and go to Google, boom, it comes up right away. Let's go to PortSwigger. Even though see, everything's working the way all labs. Super fast. Well, it's not. Oh, no! Okay, here's the none type is not subscriptable. You know what we didn't do? Is we didn't log.info victim log. I have no idea what we got. All right, but let's pretend. So let's pretend we got this line. Let's just do this. All I'm going to do is copy this because I'm going to go to Chrome and I'm going to go regex 101. Boom. I'm going to paste this here and paste this. Here, I'm going to choose Python. I didn't have it right. Okay, what did I do? Matches. So we got 10, 0, dot asterisk. And then new password colon plus capture group ampersand. It should work. Why does this not work? Okay. Start deleting stuff. New plus. Oh, because of the freaking plus dot ashes question mark ampersand LT there. Hubris. That's all it was. Me thinking I know better. Boom. And boom. Okay. All right, let's just wait another 5 minutes. We'll be able to. Was it 5 minutes? How long was it actually? 7:44:09. So it was 6.5 minutes. So let's just wait 6.5 minutes to figure out if we got it right. Okay, so let's see what we get this time. It looks like we got it. We are logging in. Here's the thing. We didn't log what password we got, but it didn't error this time. And so now we're logging in as Carlos, and then we're going to check if it's solved. Get login. Oh, no. Does anybody see what the problem here? We don't have the freaking lab and session token. That sucks. Blog login. Cookies. I think that's right. Yeah. We can provide it the cookies. Because it's going to go. Oh, goodness. We got a 302, and then we're going to go here, and then we're going to missing parameter CSRF. Okay, let's run it again. The reason it didn't work is because we got the redirect to the home page, which didn't have the CSRF, which is very cool. Super cool. Hey, it actually went kind of client too nosy. No, I didn't tamper with it. Is the lab already solved? No, it's not. That one went suspiciously fast. What are we waiting on here? Oh, it's this request. All right, I'll pause and come back. All right, something's happening. We're getting this response for the home page, which I can't remember why we need to do that one. We got the lab cookie, we got the session cookie, we got the CSRF. Oh, this is to get the exploit URL. Maybe we should do this if in our init to save an extra step. Well, no, because it's not always going to have an exploit URL. I mean, we could try it. I don't know. This is working. We're going to solve it right here. We're going to say lab is solved. Getting exploit log, getting a response. Did we? Found CSRF attempting to log in. This was the line. Come on. I kind of want to move. I'm going to close this. We don't need this anymore. We've gotten way past that. Oof. I just want to see what credentials. Carlos. That looked good. We've got to have it solved this time. What was this? Is that a log strat logs? Logged info victim log. Oh, it's log debug. Okay, that's fine. I just don't like all this wall of text, but if it's debug, then that's fine, because we can just run it without debug and not see it. Please, please. Just answer. What if it times out right here? That would be hilarious. And by hilarious, I mean rage-inducing. Like, throw the computer away. Hilarious. Hilarious in that way. Successfully logged in. We've got it solved. Come on. If we logged in, it's solved. See, we're getting my account. Is this going to say, this still says not solved. But we're logged in as Carlos, which was the success condition. So we've got it solved right now. We just need this to recognize. Just take your time. It's okay. That one took 2 minutes to complete. Is this one going to take another 2 minutes? Look at that. We solved it, even though it hasn't responded yet. Sweet. I feel like it's not actually solved until we see the lab is solved log. Oh, no. Well, that's okay. But I think we're done with host headers. So let me do the recap right now. We knew that it was Dangling Markup attack based on the description. Lab is solved. Finally. Woo! All right. Based on the description, we knew it was Dangling Markup. And then it was password reset. So we played around with the host header and ended up using a colon in the host right here, blog host, colon, and then opened up an image tag with a source and question mark, and then didn't close that image tag. That way it captured all of this so that, and when it was scanned by the security server, it visited that link, and that link captured the login, all that text, all the way up to the end of the message. And yeah, that's how we were able to grab it. We extracted the password, logged in as Carlos, and solved the lab. The one thing I did want to check was if they did the same thing with the colon. Yep, they did. Okay. I didn't know if there's some other way. Oh, they did href instead of image. That's fine. That works, if you want to do it that way. All right. Sweet. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.